Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Kuko, can you lead the prayer?
Yes, ma'am. Attention, please. Let's pray together. Thank you. Finish.
Okay, students, good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine too, thank you. Kok lemes ya? Suaranya nggak ada ya? Yang semangat, pagi-pagi kita harus bersemangat. Okay, before I explain our material today, let me remind you that we have still study in pandemic condition. So don't forget three things. What are they? Apa saja? Memakai masker, wear mask. Yang kedua, selalu mencuci tangan. Always wash our hands. Yang ketiga, menjaga jarak. Okay, now I will check your present by calling you one by one. Kuko? Okay, Andro?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aska?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anissa?
Yes, ma'am.
Nia?
Yes, ma'am.
And now I will explain about our material today. The aim of our material. Saya akan menjelaskan tentang tujuan pembelajaran kita terlebih dahulu ya, sebelum kita masuk ke pelajarannya. Oke. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang describing people. Tujuan pembelajarannya nanti setelah kalian mengikuti kegiatan pembelajaran, kalian diharapkan dapat menentukan ciri-ciri khusus tentang orang secara lisan. Kalian diharapkan dapat membuat teks deskriptif, tertulis pendek dan sederhana, dan kemudian mempresentasikannya di depan kelas. Before we start our lesson, I want to ask you something. Have you read our last material on page 156 until 158? Sudah? If one of your family was lost, jika salah satu anggota keluarga kalian hilang, you want to ask someone to find out. Kalian ingin meminta bantuan seseorang untuk mencarinya. Nah, itu what should you describe? Apa yang harus kamu deskripsikan? Apa yang harus kamu katakan pada orang tersebut? Ketika kalian kehilangan salah satu anggota keluarga, nah, kalian ingin seseorang untuk mencarinya. Tentunya kalian harus menceritakan bagaimana keluarga kamu tersebut dari physical appearance-nya, dari ciri-ciri tubuhnya kan ya, mulai dilihat dari face, kemudian dari bentuk tubuhnya, warna rambutnya apa, seperti itu kan ya, like that. I want you to watch and analyze the video.
Brown eyes. Big round eyes. Small eyes.
After you watch and read this video's note, now I want you to describe about this picture. I have a picture. Nah, this is picture about Scarlett Johansson. Now you can identify or you can analyze about how is the face, eyes, nose, hair, and skin. Okay, now Can you mention the face of Scarlett Johansson? Bentuk mukanya Scarlett Johansson itu apa? Oval. And then what about the eyes? The eyes? Blue eyes. And nose? Jadi tujuan dari descriptive text itu untuk memberikan gambaran secara nyata tentang seseorang yang akan dideskripsikan melalui karakternya. Kemudian penampilannya, physical or features, secara fisik. Okay, now after I explain about the descriptive text, is there any question, my students? Do you understand about the material, my students? No? No question? There isn't a question. I will divide you into a group. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will divide you into 4 groups. One group consists of 2 persons. Can you please go to your groups? After you go to your groups, and now open text 2 and discuss it with your group. Sekarang you do in a group, but I want you collect by yourself. Do you understand, my student? Apa kalian mengerti? Okay, now your time is only 5 minutes. Have you finished it? Okay, now collect it. Kumpulkan di sini di depan yang task 2 kalau sudah selesai. Okay, now after you are finished doing task 2, and then you can go to task 3. Okay, this is task 3. Task 3 analyze 2 pictures. The face, eyes, nose, hair, skin and clothes. Is there any question about task 3? It's clear? Finish? Have you finished do it? Sudah selesai kah? If you are finished, we will discuss together. Okay, now let's discuss together ya. Kita bahas bersama task 3. It analyze about those 2 picture. We will focus on the face. Picture B. Oval. And then about the eyes, picture A. Black. And then picture B. Brown. Okay, brown. What about the hair? The hair of picture A. Curly. And then picture B. Stripe. What can you repeat it, please, Aska? After you do task 3, and then we go to task 4 and task 5. But have a picture. This is a picture of Amanda. And then I try to describe about Amanda. This is Amanda. She has long and blonde hair. Her eyes are big. Mata has flat nose. Do you understand about the text? Apa kalian sudah paham? Okay, now please do it. I give you 10 minutes to do the text. It's up to you to describe based on the picture. Terserah. Okay, finish my students. Sudah selesai? Yes? Okay, if you have finished read that talks, and I want you to read in front of your friends. Who wants to be the volunteer? Siapa who want to be the first presented? Siapa yang ingin? Okay, now please, Andro.
He is Jack. He has straight and blonde hair.
Thank you, Andro. Give applause to Andro. Beri tepuk tangan untuk Andro. Okay. Okay, the next who want to be presented it in front of the class? Siapa? Okay, Kuka, please.
He is Tony. He has straight and black hair. His eyes are big. He has flat nose.
Yes? Flat nose. Okay, thank you. Who wants to be in the volunteer in the first? Anissa?
So is Lucky. He has short and brown hair. Her eyes are big. She has flat nose.
Her eyes are big and
Brown
round. And then?
her eyes are big. She has flat nose.
She has
Flat nose.
laki-laki apa perempuan?
Lucky.
Laki-laki pakainya apa? He. Okay, thank you. Ya, Uut.
She is Amanda. She has long and blonde hair. Her eyes are big. She has flat nose.
Okay, thank you. Let's make conclusions. Lesson today. All of you, your answer are good enough. And you can describe the picture clearly. Thank you for your nice job. Is there any question? Make a reflection from the lesson today. I will give you some question. What have we learned today? Apa yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini? Kuka.
To dig in better report descriptive statement. We ask
Okay, Tuto, it's very good. The second question for you, what did you like from this lesson? Apa yang kalian suka dari pelajaran ini? Okay, Andro, yes?
I like this reason because I can understand how to describe fiction. It can be described from the face, the body, and so.
Okay, thank you, Andro. Good reason. And the last question, are there any difficulties from this material today? Apakah ada yang sulit dari materi hari ini? Okay, alright student, I'm glad to hear that. If there is no question about our material today, it means you have understood. Material of the next week is still about discuss about descriptive text. But we will focus on describing a place. Our lesson by praying together. Kuku, can you lead the prayer, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Attention, please. Let's pray together. Begin.
Okay, thank you, Kuku. Alright, student, let's close our lesson today by saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, now goodbye, students. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.